I have students who say they're focusing. I'm not really focusing, but I think I am. I'm so not focusing, and now I'm really not focusing. So if your child is working on one subject for, let's say, 35, 45 minutes, their brain starts to fade. We know that. It's called brain fade. So what happens is when we switch subjects, it goes like this. I'm doing math. I'm kind of doing math. I'm so not doing math. Oop, now I'm doing science. A lot of kids need that switching of subjects to keep themselves activated, focused, and engaged. So what does that look like? Depending on the age and stage of your student, you could say to them, okay, let's work on math for 28 minutes. When those 28 minutes are over, they finish whatever problem they're working on, they stop math and they move to a different subject. And they go around until they've obviously finished everything.